Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn Aura framework, LWC, Apex class trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to create custom, expandable and collapsible section in LWC component. So friends, in this lesson, we will be learn about how to create expandable and collapsible section in LWC components. So follow these steps to achieve this scenario. To achieve this scenario, we need to follow three type of steps. Step number one, step number two, and step number three. So friends, in the step number one, first we need to create a lightning app. Here I created my lightning app, LWC app. Then move on the step number two. In the step number two, click on the gear icon. You will be get edit page. Once click on the edit page, you will be move on the step number three. In the step number three, we will be call my LWC component to the lightning custom app. So friends, here I created accordion section in LWC component. So accordion section, it is the section whenever click on the arrow button, it will be expand. Once I click on the next arrow button, the previous section will be collapsed and current section will be expand. Friends, in this LWC component, we will be create expandable and collapsible section. So in the expandable or collapsible section, first we will be by default display. Once click on this arrow button, the section will be collapsed. And if you click on the next arrow button, the previous will be hide and current will be show. There is also toggle sections. There is also a toggle section. So once click on the toggle section, it will be display more expandable and collapsible section here. So friends, using this toggle button, we will be display more and more expandable and collapsible section here. So by default, here is a height. Once click on the button, the expandable collapsible section will be displayed here. So based on this button, we will be display more expandable and collapsible section in LWC component. So in this lesson, we will be learn about how to create vertical accordion section, and based on the click on the arrow button, we will be expand and collapse the section in LWC component. So friends, now let me move on the Salesforce org where we will be see live demo scenario. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. I open my LWC component into the Lightning Studio. This is a Lightning Studio where I open my LWC component. This is my LWC component. Name is LWC accordion section. This is a component JavaScript. This is a component meta XML file. And this is a component style CSS. So in the LWC component, first I create a lightning card. Inside the lightning card, I create a div. Here I am applying SLDSP around medium. That means it will be give a space inside the container. Then I am applying S3. In the S3, I am pass the title of the page. So here I am passing the title of the page is create a vertical accordion section in Lightning Web component. So this is the title of the page. After the S3, I am creating a Lightning accordion. So friends, here you can see I am creating a Lightning accordion. So if you creating a Lightning accordion LWC component, you need to apply Lightning accordion element tag. So this element tag provided by the Salesforce. So this tag will create two lightning accordion section in LWC. So friends, if you creating a lightning accordion section in LWC, you need to pass some attribute property. Here you can see, here I am applying event function. So this is the on section toggle. This is the event function. Inside the curly bracket, I am passing a function name. So based on this function name, I will be expand and collapse the accordion section. Also, I am passing another one attribute property. That is a active section name. So this is the attribute property active section name. Active section name I inside the double quote comma I am passing a property name. So this is a lightning component. This is the name of the section that you want to display by default. And you can see this is a name. So inside the lightning accordion, I created a different type of section. To create a section in the lightning accordion, I am applying a lightning accordion section. This is also a tag element that is provided by the Salesforce. So this tag element using only for whenever you creating a lightning accordion section in LWC. So this is a parent tag element that is a lightning accordion. Inside the lightning accordion tag element, I am creating different type of section. So each and every section tag element starting from Lightning accordance section. This is a tag element. So each and every section I am defining inside the Lightning accordance. So each section will be expanded and collapsed after click the button. So friends, each and every section has a name property. So based on this name property, I will be show and hide the accordance section. If you want to display section by default, this name property you need to mention here. So you can see this is a accordance section. This is a name. This name property I am passing to here. Active section name. That means by default this accordance section will be displayed if I calling this LWC component to the page. So friends, if you want to display first section by default open, you need to pass this name property into here. Currently, I am passing second one name property. So here I am passing lightning component. You can see this is a section of the accordion. Friends, you can see there is a accordion section. So there are four accordion section display here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a JavaScript, lightning component, Salesforce LWC and Visual Force. This is the accordion section. By default, I am displaying second one by default. This is a lightning component. So lightning component accordion section by default I am displaying. So friends, in the HTML here you can see this is the second one. This is a name property. So this name property I am passing on the top here. Active section name. That means this is the active section name you want to display by default. So this is a parent tag. In the parent tag element, I am passing event function. And this is the name of the function. Function name is accordion toggle section W3 wave. This is a function name. And inside this function name, I am creating different type of the tag element. If you creating a accordion section LWC component, first you need to define lightning accordion. Inside the lightning accordion, you need to pass lightning accordion section. Here you can see this is a first one, this is a second one, this is a third one, this is a fourth one, and in the last, I am displaying hide. So based on the toggle button, I will be displaying and hide this last one according section. So here you can see in the last one, I created toggle. Once click on the button, last one will be show. So in the last section template, I displaying hide. Whenever it's get through, then it will be displayed. So friends, here you can see a structure are same for each and every according section. So first I define lightning according section element tag. Inside the according section element tag, I am creating another one lightning according section. So this is a parent tag, this is a child tag element. And each and every according section has a name property and label. So this is a name attribute property, this is a label attribute property. So label property will be displayed on the page. And structure are same. So each and every container, they are divided two part, left part and right part. This is a D for the right part, this is a D for the left part. So friends, here you can see accordion section divided into two parts. Left side of the accordion section, I display image, and right side of the accordion section, I display the title and description. And this is a read mode. So each and every accordion section divided into the two part, left part, right part. Left part display image, right part display title and description. So friends, here you can see this is a left part, this is a right part, and this is a main container. So structure are same to create a lightning according section in LWC. Similarly, if you creating another one section, structure are same. This is a left side, this is a right side. So in the left side, I display images. This is the name of the image. You can see this is the name of the image, and this is a right side. In the right side, first I define S3. This is the title of the section. Then I define the P tag. And you can see I apply different type of P tag. And in the last, I create a span, and here you pass read mode. So here you can see in the right section, the description part, I use a read mode. So once click on the read mode, you can read direct to the read mode external page. So friends, here I created different type of section using the lightning accordion section. So if you creating a lightning accordion section in LWC component, there are two element tag are mandatory. First element tag is a lightning accordion. Second lightning tag element is a lightning accordion section. So this is a parent tag element. This is a child tag element. So based on this lightning accordion section tag element, we are creating different type of section. And in the last tag element, I am using a if condition. So by default, I am hiding once click on this button. So friends, in the bottom of the recording section, I created a div. Inside the div, I created a button. And this is a on click event function. Here is a passing a function name toggle section jQuery. And this is a label. Label I am passing toggle section. Toggle section that means this one. So at the bottom of the recording section, I creating a toggle button. Once click on the button, here it will be display the section. So friends, here you can see this is a button. So based on this click button, I will be display this recording section. Each and every recording section structure are same and elements are same. So first you need to using the lightning accordion. Inside lightning accordion, you need to create lightning accordion section. So this is a section. I added different type of section. Structure are same. And at the bottom of the accordion section, I am passing a button. So then now let me jump to my JavaScript file of the component. So in the JavaScript file of the component, so friends, here you can see active section image. By default, it is a false. This is active section image. This is a active section image. Store the current open section detail. Is divisible. This is apply into the LWC component here. So by default, I am passing false. Once it's get true, then it will be visible. So once click on the button of the toggle button, I will be passed true value here. So if it gets true, then this section will be so. Then here you can see on the top of the parent lightning accordion. In here, I am passing event on section toggle. This is a function name accordion toggle section W3 base. This function I created here inside the function. This is a variable. So first this variable I am passing blank. Here I am storing the value. So friends, here I am storing open section name and single quote plus event detail the open section. So friends, this is a standard property in the LWC component. So if you creating a accordion section in LWC component, you need to apply this attributes property event detail open section. So this property provided by the sales code to create, expand and collapse section using the event detail and open section. So this function I am calling into the lightning accordion tag element here. By default, active section name I am passing. So which section you want to display by default, you can pass the property name here. And in the JavaScript file, here I am using event detail open section. This property provided by the sales code to open the section of accordion. Open the accordion section. This is a toggle section jQuery. So this is a function I am passing in the button of the bottom. So here you can see in the bottom of the section I am passing on click. This is a toggle button, toggle section jQuery. This is a function name. So here you can see this is visible. That means it's by default this is a false. Equal to not this is visible. That means it is a vice versa. One it will be get true. Once I click this, it will be false. So here I am clicking a toggle. So if you creating a toggle, you need to pass this of the structure. First it will be get true. If you click once again, it will be get false. So it is a toggle section function. Each message visible, it is also a function to get a length of the active section message. So friends, this is a part of the JavaScript file. Now let me go on the meta.xml file. So in the meta.xml file, I created a targets and targets. So in the target, I apply app page, record page, and home page. So this LWC component only visible on the app page, record page, and home page. So friends, now let me go on the meta.xml file style CSS. So in the style CSS, I created different type of the style CSS class name. So this is a type content. Here you can see in the tab content to create a design. This is a tab content. So if you check in, this is a tab content, whole of the tab content. In the tab content, I divided two parts, left part and right part. Left part display the button, right part display the content. In the content, I am passing the title and description and read more. So I created a different type of the class in the style CSS. This is a tab content. This is a tab content post images, and this is a read mode. So this is a class for the read mode, and in the read mode, I'm passing a anchor, over, and color name, font size, and this is title tag and image right. So this is a title tag for the left side. This is a image right for the right side. So friends, in the style CSS, I added different type of the style CSS class. So friends, now let me move on the Salesforce or where we will call my LWC component. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential or first let me go on the gear icon, edit the page, and here I will call my LWC component. So friends, this is my component LWC accordion section. So in the search section, I will be search my LWC component, LWC accordion, LWC accordion section. This is my LWC component. Simply select and drag and drop here. Then save. Page has been saved successfully. Now go back. And friends, you can see my LWC component display on the custom app page. And in the LWC component, I created lightning accordion section. So here you can see by default second section display. Once I click on the first one, the previous section will be hide and current section will be show. So now let me click. You can see the second one automatically hide and current section that I click on the section title, it will be display. Once I click on the next one, the previous will be hide and current will be show. Once I click on the Salesforce LWC, here you can see the current account section display and previous automatically hide. Once I click on the Visual Force page, the Visual Force page account section display and previous will be hide. So this is a account section LWC components. When click and current will be display and previous will be hide. At the bottom of the account section, I created a toggle section. So friends, one account section here, it is a hide. Once I click on the toggle section, the hide account section will be displayed. So now let me click. So friends, you can see once I click on the toggle section, Apex trigger section automatically show. And it will be work whenever I click on the Apex trigger section will be display. So if you want to display more and more according section on click button, you can use the button click function. If you click on here, it will be hide. So here you can see effects trigger section automatically hide once click. So it is a toggle section. We can show and hide more according section by using the click function button here. So friends, in this lesson we have learned how to create vertical according section in LWC component. So friends, in this lesson we have learned how to create a vertical accordion section in LWC component to show and hide the accordion section. And also we have learned how to create a toggle section using the button. So once click on the button, we can show and hide the particular accordion section in LWC component. Friends, if you find value in my content, consider making a small donation to support the channel. Friends, as you know, my content is designed to guide you step by step through real world scenarios. I am ensuring, friends, you get practical and hands-on experience inside the tutorial. Friends, if my video bringing value to your learning journey, consider making a small donation to support the continued creation of high quality tutorial for you. Your small donation will motivate me to produce even more in-depth content for you. Friends, I would like to a special thank to everyone for a small donation to support the channel. Friends, after making a small donation, please send me your donation screenshot on my email or WhatsApp. I will send you an exclusive ebook bonus gift with advanced sales for tips, tricks, and strategy to take your skill to the next level. So, friends, by donating, you are not just investing in only your own growth, you are contributing to the success of countless other as well. So, friends, here you are thinking after donating what you are will be get bonus as a gift. So now let me explain about what you will be get bonus after donating and support to me. Friends, scan QR code from here and make a small donation to support the channel. After support the channel, please share your screenshot on my email or WhatsApp so that we can send you an exclusive bonus gift on your email. So friends, here you can see I will be send you bonus gift as two ebook. These are the books you are very powerful in the sales force. First ebook you are Master of X Trigger and second ebook you are Sales for Tutorial. So friends, both of the ebook published on Amazon. If you check on the Amazon, this is the Apex Trigger and this is a Sales for Tutorial. So friends, the fixed figure, the price on the Amazon is 333 rupees, and sales for tutorial, the price on Amazon is 199 rupees. So both of the ebook I will provide as a bonus gift after donating and support to this channel. Friends, so these are the ebook you will be get after donating and supporting to the channel. So friends, after donating a small amount to the channel, please share your screenshot on this email ID, and you can share your screenshot on WhatsApp on this phone number. So friends, after making a small donation to this channel, I will be share both of the ebook on your email so that you will be get so many tips, trick and strategy in the sales force. So friends, let's grow together, watch, donate and start your journey to get success by today. Friends, if you want to soft copy code of all files, check on description of this video. In the description of this video, I will provide live demo scenarios link so that you can simply copy and paste to create functionality in your personal org. And you will be save lot of time, energy and effort. Friends, you can also schedule a meeting with me. I will provide schedule meeting link in the description of this video. If you are stuck in any kind of issue during development, schedule meeting with me. I will help you to resolve the issue. You will be get schedule meeting link in the description of this video. You can schedule meeting with me as per your availability date and time. Thank you.